Hello, it's Wednesday, May the 4th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar gained against most majors as investors sought risk aversion due to concerns over the Eurozone. Crude touched a one-month high at $87, but decreased afterwards to close at $86 a barrel. Gold climbed for another day to close at $1,182 an ounce. Today, pending home sales index is expected at 5% versus 8.2% prior. The euro fell for the first time in 4 days against the dollar as investors waited for final approval of the aid package for Greece to be confirmed Friday by the IMF and European leaders. Manufacturing PMI came out 57.6, better than expected, the 57.5, and overall the euro dollar traded with a low of 131.53 and a high of 133.60. Today PPI is expected at 0.9% versus 0.1% prior. The pound declined versus the dollar as investors avoided sterling until they get a clearer view regarding the UK elections on May 6th. Trading below resistance at 152.80 keeps the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 152.10 and a high of 153.34. Today, manufacturing PMI is expected at 57.5 versus 57.2 prior, and nationwide consumer confidence is expected at 80 versus 72 prior. The dollar increased to a 7-month high versus the yen as 3 days of holidays in Japan might have prevented investors from buying into the Japanese currency. Trading above the support level of 94.35 keeps the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 93.50 and a high of 94.97. Today, Japanese banks will be closed for Greenery Day. Abnormal volatility can be expected. Canada's dollar rose versus its US counterpart as US stocks gained, crude and gold climbed, and pushed investors to currencies linked to commodity markets. Strong resistance at 101.80 needs to breach to advance the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 100.98 and a high of 101.84. No economic data is expected today. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.